In this class, we are studying about the lead code problem, which is the power of 2. Okay. Given an integer n, return the true value if it is a power of 2. Whenever it is a power of 2, then return the value as a true value. Otherwise, return the value as a false value. Other return the value as follows. An integer n is a power of 2 if there exists an integer x such that n equals to 2 power x. Okay. They are clearly saying that if it is belongs to the 2 power value, then return the value as a true value, other return the value as false value. For example, if I am taking the n value as a 1 here, okay, if I am taking the n value as 1, okay, here the it is true here. Why? Because 2 power 0. What is 2 power 0? The value is a 1 here. Means here the answer is true. Means for the given value, it is current in the 2 ports here. If the n value is 16, okay, if the n value is 16, here the if you observe the 16 here, 2 power 4. What is 2 power 4? 16. Okay. Yes, it is possible. The answer is true here. For example, if I give the n value as 5, okay, whether it is possible to convert this value into the 2 ports, it is not possible. Why? Because we are having the 2 power 2, the value is a 4, but there is no 5 here. Okay. For this one, the answer is a false value. Okay. For this one, the answer is a false value. Here the before going to the power concept here, whenever if you want to find the power concept here, whenever the n mod 2 value is equal to 0, then we can clearly saying that okay, there is a possibility that this number is a power of 2. Okay, we are not clearly saying that there may be possibility we are having this number is a power of 2 here. Okay, for example, if I give the 8 here, okay, if I give the 8 here, 8 mod 2, what is 8 mod 2? The value is a 0. Okay, again we have divided the 8 by 2. What is value 8 by 2? 4. Okay, we have to check that whether the 8 mod 2 value is equal to 0 or not. That is the first condition. Means n mod 2 value is equal to 0 or not. That is the first condition. And what was the second condition? The second condition is the whenever the n by 2 value, whenever this n by 2 value, whether this also will get the same power of 2, then we can get the answer as a true value. Okay, here the n by 2 value is equal to same power only, means the 4. Whenever the 4 is also power of 2, okay, whenever these are satisfying here, then we can say that that number is a power of 2 number here. That number is a power of 2 number here. Means n mod 2 value is equal to 0. That is the first condition. And the second condition is like this one. Okay, the second condition is the n by 2. Okay, n by 2 value, this is also satisfying the same condition. Means this is also satisfying the same condition. It is giving the value as a 0. Okay, it is giving the value as a 0. Then we can say that then we can say that the given number is the power of 2. Okay, then we can say that the given power of 2. Okay, I wrote the simple code here. Okay, if you observe the code here, okay, if you observe the code like this one, if the n value is less than or equals to 0, means whenever the given number is a negative number, then we are getting the value as a false value. Okay, whenever the given number is a negative number, then we are getting the value as a false value. Otherwise, we can enter into the while loop here. While n mod 2 value is equals to 0, n equals to 2. Okay, assume I give the n value as a 8 here. Okay, assume here I give the n value as 8 here. Come to this one. 8 is less than or equals to 0. The condition is false. This will not be executed. While n mod 2. N mod 2 stands for 8 mod 2. What is 8 mod 2? 8 mod 2 value is a 0. 0 equals to 0. The condition is true. N integer division equals to 2. Means n equals to n integer division 2. 8 integer division 2 means 4. The n value becomes as 4. Now again go to the while loop condition. N mod 2 is equal to 0. What is n value? 4. 4 mod 2. What is the 4 mod 2? The 4 mod 2 value is 0. 0 equals to 0. The condition is true. Again the body will be executed. Means n equals to n integer division 2. 4 integer division 2. What is the 4 integer division 2? 2. The n value becomes as 2. Again go to the condition. What is the condition? N mod 2. What is value n mod 2? The n mod 2 is nothing but 2 mod 2. The current n value is a 2 here. 2 mod 2. The value is a 0. 0 equals to 0. The condition is true. N integer division equals to 2. Means n equals to integer division of 2. 2 integer division of 2. What is the value? 1. Now the n value becomes as 1 here. 1 is greater than or equals to 0. 1 equals to 0. The condition is 1 mod 2, the value is a 1, 1 equals to 0, the condition is false. 1 equals 1 mod 2 value, the 1 mod 2 value is the 1 mod 2 value is the 1, 1 equals to 0, the condition is false. Whenever the condition is false outside, okay, whenever the condition is false outside, okay, on the outside we are having the return n equals to 1. What is n value? 1. 1 equals to 1, yes, true, means you will get the answer as a true value. You will get the answer as a true value, okay. For example, if I am providing the data like this, okay, assume here if I give the n value as 4, okay, assume here I give the n value as like this one, assume here I give the assume I give the n value as 3. Okay, assume I give the n value as 3. 3 is less than or equals to 0. The condition is 3 is less than or equals to 0. The condition is false. While n mod 2, 3 mod 2. What is the 3 mod 2? The 3 mod 2 value is the 1. 1 equals to 0. Okay. 1 equals to 0. The condition is 1 equals to 0. The condition is false. Outside of this loop here. Outside we are having the n equals to 1. What is n value? 3. 3 equals to 1. 3 equals to 1. False. The answer is the false value. Okay. I will give the one more example. Okay. Assume here I give the n value as 11. Okay. Assume here I give the n value as 11. I want to check that whether the 11 is a power of 2 or not. Assume I want to check that whether the 11 is a power of 2 or not. I give the n value as 11. 11 is less than or equal to 0. The condition is false. Okay. While n mod 2, 11 mod 2. What is value of 11 mod 2? The 11 mod 2 value is the 1. 1 equals to 0, false. When a condition is false, outside immediately. Return n double equals to 1. What is n value? 11. 11 equals to 1. 11 equals to 1. The condition is false. Mean this is not the power of 2. This is not the power of 2. Okay. In the case of the power of 2 pointer, we have to check the 1 by 1 condition. Whenever the n mod 2 value equals to 0, again we check that n integer division to again mod 2 equals to 0. If it is again 0, again go with the next value like this one. Okay. Whenever there is a condition has been failed, immediately come out of the while loop and check the corresponding value. Check the corresponding value.